Today I want to work with OR condition. So for example, I want to sum up sales for pears and apples. How can we do that? We just to have use SUMIF function, select the range on which we will be checking our condition, our criteria, F4 to lock it. Then we have to put our criterias. And now we want to add two criteria. Then because I work with dynamic array Excel, I will get two results, but I have to also select the range we're going to sum up F4 to lock it. And once again, because in second argument I have two conditions, the SUMIF function will return two values, and it basically doesn't matter if those values are horizontally or vertically, because I will get just two results that I have to sum them up. So we have to just add some function to our SUMIF function. So we are summing up results from SUMIF function. And in dynamic array Excel, just the sum function is enough, because each function works with array, but in previous function we should use some product function, so we don't have to use Ctrl+Shift+Enter shortcut. And just like that, I sum up two condition or conditions, and we can just copy our formula down, and we have results for each products group.